The world still needs COBOL developers. Follow the Pacta COBOL training.
Why learning COBOL is a smart move for the future. COBOL may be decades old, but it's far from obsolete. It's still the backbone of critical systems used by banks, governments, and global corporations, and those systems aren't going away anytime soon. Learning COBOL is a future-proof decision. Thousands of organizations rely on it, and there's a growing shortage of skilled developers who understand it. At Pacta COBOL, we've designed a training program that's perfect for beginners. No installation required, accessible from your browser. Learn step by step, even with no coding experience. Clear explanations, real examples, and a modern approach. Whether you're starting a new career, reskilling, or just curious, COBOL is still relevant and in demand. Get ahead by learning a skill that companies still rely on every day. Visit Pacta COBOL website, cobol.pacta.com.